Yep, I'm back out in the desert. Just getting tired of sitting at home doing nothing. The whole virus thing, man. Just got to get out and ride. I came to scout the top of the hill because I wanted to see if I wanted to go up this. I can't see what's around this corner, but let's do it. And then I'll turn around and come back up, hopefully. I always find the high line to be the best because the water pulls all the rocks down to the bottom. But the high line is usually always off camber. Dare I say, camberish. Yes, it's off camberish. So it depends what you like, better or worse. Bouncing around in the rocks or riding down the camber part. All right, well, if I can come down that, I got to be able to go up that. So let's give it a try. I need to replace my rear tire. I already have a replacement and even a new moose. But I was too lazy to do it yesterday. Whoa! This one is just sliding all over the place in the rear. It's lost most of its knob height. So it's just squirming around, especially in the loose stuff. Not a great feeling. All right, woo, look at that. No, don't look at that. Just go. Whoa. I have got to put that rear tire on. Jeez. That thing just kept sliding sideways in the rear. God, I got no traction. Oh man, I got 2 days of riding. I'm gonna be camping out here for the night and ride tomorrow also. So, I should have changed the tire. Oh well. It'll give me good practice, you know, controlling a really loose rear end. The bike's not mine. Come on, guys. Oh, and I just realized I forgot to turn on the other cameras. Oh well. Woo! I think we made it. We're at the top. Oh, that was fun. All right, right at the top of this, there's a single track just going straight up that way. So, let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Can I do this? Come on. Woo. Ah! I thought I was going to slam into that one, but I just missed it. That was tougher than I thought. Wow. It's those sections that I get off balance. I go through a lot of rocks, or I just can't quite keep my balance. I'm just fighting to retain it. Those are the ones that really get me. Just saps your energy. All right, come on. Oh. Okay, maybe I'm not in over my head. I'm not any good at this stuff. And the only way to get good is just to do it. But for me, paddling my way through it is not considered doing it. Ooh. Something dug a burrow into that hole, or into the mountain. Oh, it goes that way. I really do enjoy this. Even though I'm huffing and puffing. All right. I could go down either way. I think I'm going to go down to the right here. See, where I'm grunting and I'm tensing up is where I should be relaxing and doing just the opposite. Just taking a deep breath and just relax. Relax your arms and your legs and your body, just so you can kind of float over all the rocks. Instead of tensing up. The absolute opposite thing you should be doing. I think we made it out. Yep, okay. Woo! Well, that was fun. A little challenging, but fun. Yes, I'm sitting down quite a bit here. Honestly, I'm just conserving energy. I'm going to be out riding for 2 days. I don't want to wear myself out in the first hour. Whoa! Wow! It popped us up from one canyon into another one, another valley. Should I go up? Yep. I'm not much of a wash person. I like the hills and the valleys, not the washes. Whew. Well, there's a single track heading straight up that way. Oh, it goes that way too. I'm much better at going up the stuff than going down. Much better. Alright. Oh my god, I can't get up! Rats! Alright. There we go. funny, on these kind of little trails, there's always that odd rock that's right in the middle of the trail, just one loose rock. And it used to bother me a lot. Ooh. Look at that cactus. That's wild looking. Yeah, it used to bother me a lot. And now I know you can just totally roll right over it. It's not a big deal. Now I gotta learn to roll over these sections, because it's ridiculous when I stop. Absolutely ridiculous. This is the worst thing you could possibly do. Come on. I'm waiting for the rear to drop. There we go. Because if you have just a little bit of speed and momentum, oh, that rock you're not going to go over. That really does help. Yeah, jeez. I did not mean to have the rear brake locked up, but I couldn't get my foot up. I couldn't get it off the brake. That was funny. All right. Well, I think I'll keep this one short. I got a lot of riding to do. Thanks so much for, ooh, look at that. Thanks so much for joining me. I think I'm gonna head this way. I'll see you guys later. I hope you can get out there and ride if you're not at work. I know a lot of guys can't. It just depends where you live, what state you're in, what city you're in, the whole deal. Luckily, the desert's still open out here, so play it safe. You don't want to be going to the hospital. See ya.
Don't you just hate listening to me say the same thing over and over and over at the end of the video? Yeah, me too.